Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Here is a recipe for your special days. Cookies with sugar pulp. First, take 200 grams of butter, 1 egg, 250 grams a packet of powdered sugar in a bowl, and start to knead the dough. Add 5½ glass of flour. Keep on kneading until it's smooth. Then add half glass of vegetable oil, and some cinnamon. When the dough is ready, cover it with stretch film and keep in the fridge for 1 hour. Cut small pieces from the dough and shape it with a rolling pin as you see. Cut with special shapes and put on the tray. Be careful. Not to dough much, dig them with chopsticks. Bake them 175 degrees heated oven for 15 minutes. But when it starts to dough, open the oven door for 5 minutes. To decorate them, knead the sugar pulp with starch and cut the same shapes to cover them. But first, spread honey and water mixture to make them stick well to the dough. It's ready. Decorate how you like. You can try cookies next to your coffee without sugar pulp. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.